Hi guys, if you are looking for a very strong, durable, waterproof outdoor timer which is even easy to use, then this could be an awesome thing for you. What's also very important here, that we have a very high power rating of 1875 watts. So we have two huge advantages compared to a lot of these new smart timers. They are usually very difficult to use, difficult to connect. And then we have usually very low power rating, so that's much better here. So we can, for example, even use it for a pool pump. And so that's the device itself. Really nice, beautiful. Here we have the waterproof cover. Comes with a 3-prong plug, and it's controlling then two 3-prong outlets. The usage is super easy. We open this flap, and then we have access to the 48 pins, which means it's controlling every 30 minutes or half hour. When the unit arrives, the pins are already in the outside position, which means they are off. That's super easy. So you only have to push in the pins of the time where you want to have it turned on. So we have half of the circle marked black, which means that's PM, and we have half of it in white, which means it's AM. Very easy to remember. And so, for example, if you want to have it turned on sometime after 6 o'clock, you can just push here inside. And then after that, you adjust the current time. So you can see this arrow points now to 12:30 p.m. That's the time what we have now. Of course, the clock won't run when it's not plugged in. So after adjusting that, you have to make sure that you plug it in just shortly after that, or you will have to readjust the time, which you could do at any time, so you don't have to be worried about that. So you just plug it in and then plug in your devices here. And after that, you have to decide if you want to have it always on. So by default, it's in the always on position. But of course, if you want to have the timer active exactly how you set it up, you have to slide this slider here to the right side. That's where you see the clock icon. And if for some reason you want to have it 24/7 on, you just slide it to the left side. So absolutely easy, doesn't get any better than that. So full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.